All right, so I've just got water with universal indicator in there. And, right, to give us an idea, all right, so our colour is somewhere between pH 6 and pH 7. Right, so it's a fairly neutral solution, maybe slightly acidic, right? So it's there, somewhere there. It's within the tolerance. We've got to remember that universal indicators aren't all that accurate, but they give a reasonable, so I'd say, between 6 and 7 we can see them. All right, so to that, I am going to add 150 mils of sodium hydroxide solution. So sodium hydroxide is a base, right? So there's my sodium hydroxide solution. Don't recommend spilling this on your leg like I did when I was 16, right? Lol, I burnt my leg, lol, and I should have sued KFC. Right, so should probably wear gloves, but I'll just wash my hands. So yeah, here we go, talking about safety. So I want 150 mils of sodium hydroxide, 1 molar. Oops. You can see I left some sodium ethanoate in there that's crystallized out. All right, so I'm adding, whoosh. Cool, so that's 50 mil. I'm adding 150 mil to there. I think 150 mil is too much, to be honest. Here we go, we can see that the colour's changed to blue. Just going to actually add slightly less than the instructions. I haven't got this to work last year, so I'm going to add less and hopefully this will work. All right, so we can see the colour's changed. Right, still not a chemical reaction. Right, it's a slightly chemical reaction in the indicator, but overall it's not really a permanent colour change. And we'll learn about indicators. So we can see there, all right, universal indicators, we can see the colour, right, means that the pH has changed. It's gone more basic because of the hydroxide. To this, I'm going to add, where's my tongs gone? I'm going to add some dry ice to this. Okay. Add a bit more. Add a bit more. Okay. Add quite a bit. This is what chemistry should look like. Lots of bubbling and okay. I think I need quite a lot. All right, so we can see that dry ice is less dense than water as it's floating on top. What else do you notice? What do you notice about the gas that's coming out? What's happening to it?
It's very nice to touch.
It looks nice to touch. Okay. Touching the gas. What else do you notice about it? Looks like a cloud. Yeah. What else? In fact, it might be a bit of cloud, but it's not really. What else is happening? Is it just going up? Right, what does that tell you? Well, what else does that tell you? Yes, it succumbs to gravity, but what does that mean in terms of the other air around it? More dense than normal air. That's right. So we can see that it's floating down the sides of the... And break this up. Okay, I'm going to let that be. I'm going to add some more dry ice. Hopefully get this to work. And lots of dry ice. Okay, I'm going to let that be. I'm going to pause that video and just let that run in the back.